Hello student, this is Sushil Misra and today we are going to discuss about sum of zeros and product of zeros of a quadratic polynomial. So now today we are taking the questions from exercise 3.2, question number first, sixth part. Question is given 3x square minus x minus 4. Now we'll have to factorize. It means we have to find the two numbers on which multiplying they should give minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12, and on adding or subtracting them we should have nothing means what, minus 1. So now what will be those two numbers? Those two numbers will be minus 4 and 3. Why? Because here is minus sign, it means the greater one will be with negative sign and the smaller one will be positive. So it will be 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Now as you see here, what is the common? Common is x. So this will be 3x minus 4, and from here nothing is common, it means 1 is common for all. So this will be 3x minus 4. Again you just see from these two terms what is common? 3x minus 4 is common from both, and what is pending? Here x is pending and here 1 is pending. So after equating these two factors with 0, we are getting x equal to 4 by 3 as 1 0, and the other one will be x plus 1 is equal to 0. It means x equal to minus 1. So now if we'll add both the zeros, suppose this is what? This is alpha 4 by 3 and this is beta minus 1. So if we'll get, we are going to find alpha plus beta, it means what? Sum of the zeros. So this will gives 4 by 3 plus of minus 1, that is 4 by 3 plus minus minus, after taking LCM 4 minus 3 by 3, that is 1 by 3. And for finding the product of zeros, alpha into beta, that is equal to 4 by 3 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now we have to verify the relationship, and as you all know, in quadratic polynomial there is a general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of a quadratic polynomial, and in this case sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus of b upon a. That is what? Minus of b, you see coefficient of x upon, and you can see a is what? Coefficient of x square. And similarly product of zeros is what? C upon a, that is coefficient of, or you can say coefficient or constant term upon a is what? Coefficient of x square. So again we have to check whether our answer is correct or not. So for alpha plus beta minus b by a, it means what? Here in the question you see, on if you will compare, b is what? 1. B is what? 1, but here minus is given, so minus of minus 1 upon a is what? 3, so minus minus 1 by 3. Similarly alpha into beta, that is c by a. What is c here? Minus 4, and a is what? 3. So here you see 1 by 3, here also 1 by 3, and here 4 minus 4 by 3, and here also minus 4 by 3. Hence it is verified. Thank you.